Today I'm going to show you guys a fun and quick cupcake tutorial. We're making winter hats. Welcome back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. Hi cake friends, welcome back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. Today we are just doing a fun and quick cupcake tutorial. Like I said, we are turning our cupcakes into winter hats, winter beanies, whatever you guys call them. And yes, we have to add the pom-pom on top. To get started, we need cupcakes. I'm using 3 piping tips today, and we're using our 1M tip. Surprise, surprise, right? Our 1M tip, we're gonna use our big circle tip. It's 2A. And then we're just using a grass tip. So it's just a grass tip. It's just got all the little dots. You can kind of see it's a grass tip. So we just need those 3 piping tips, 1M, 2A, and our grass tip. And we need some buttercream today, and I'm gonna make the hats pink, and we need some white buttercream as well. So white and pink, or whatever color you wanna make your hats. And then we obviously need some piping bags and some sprinkles. You know, we need sprinkles. Okay, we need something else so that we can pipe a little bit higher up and we can make the cupcake kind of look like a hat. So if you want, you can just pipe a frosting, just kind of a little bit of frosting and then pipe around the frosting, but that's a lot of frosting. I like to use something as a, you know, kind of a guide when we're making these cupcakes. So I am just using a Lindor truffle here. All we're gonna do is kind of set it right on our cupcake, and it's gonna be a guide to making our hat. So we'll get to that in just a minute. To get started, we have our 2A tip, and it's just my big round tip, and we're just gonna pipe some buttercream. We're gonna dip our cupcake right into our sprinkles. And now we kind of have the bottom of our hat here. Okay, now it's time to add our truffle. I just unwrapped our truffle, and we're gonna set it right in the middle of this cupcake, right in the middle of those sprinkles. Then we get our 1M tip, and now we're gonna start from the bottom of our truffle, and we're just gonna pipe right up. Kind of do like a half circle. The way that I'm piping, you can see I'm kind of angling it a little bit, right up. And we're just gonna go around and around that truffle until you can kind of see we're forming a hat. I don't know if you can see it yet, but I can see it. It's coming, I promise. We are going to put our cupcakes in the fridge for a minute because we have to pipe onto buttercream. And for me, I really like to have things stable and not sliding and slipping around. So I put these cupcakes just in the fridge while I'm getting my other piping bag ready. And we're just using our same 2A tip right now. And what I'm gonna do here is just the very top of where we frosted, we are going to just put a little dollop of frosting right here. You can see there's no right or wrong way. I'm just gonna put a little dollop just right on top of our cupcake. After we've done that, put this cupcake into the freezer, not the fridge, into the freezer, because we need it really firm, because we have to make the pom-pom on the top of our cupcake, and we need the buttercream to be firm so we have a nice base, so we can form this cute little pom-pom on top of our little winter hat cupcake. I left them in the freezer for probably about 5 minutes. Not long, but make sure that your buttercream, when you touch it, it's pretty firm. And now I've just got some more white buttercream, and it's our grass tip. Remember, it's just our fun little grass tip. And now we are going to start making our pom-pom. And it's super simple. We're just gonna start piping right onto the little dollop that we did. Push and then pull away. Push, pull away, pull away. Don't pull away too much or else it kind of goes crazy. Just kind of maybe practice with this piping tip, so you kind of push it down and pull it away just a little bit, so you can kind of see the little cute pom-pom, you know, strings starting to form, or grass. That's why it's called a grass tip. So if you want to practice with it, remember, just kind of press it down and then pull away just a little bit, and you'll start to see the fun pom-pom start forming. And we're just gonna go all the way around, and now we have an adorable winter hat cupcake, pom-pom and all. The cuteness is definitely strong with these cupcakes. I mean, look at that. We made a winter hat with a pom-pom on top. So fun and really fairly easy. And we added that chocolate truffle inside so you get an extra chocolate treat. I mean, who doesn't love that? Right? And if you don't love it, you can just use buttercream as a guide instead, but that's a lot of buttercream. I think chocolate treat inside is the perfect touch. Thanks so much for watching here at Julie's Bakes Cakes. Let me know if you make these and try these at home, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys. Have an awesome day.